Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the new iPhone 17. So with this iPhone 17, we're actually going to go ahead and rip off the seal and open it up. So the iPhone 17 comes in multiple different colors. I think there's a red, green, or an orange, green, black, and silver version. But here we have just the simple black version just because it was already available in stores. So this is what it looks like. It's got the dual camera system. Now, what they recently changed with iPhones is that they actually don't provide you with the charging cube, but they only provide you with the wire. So this is a Type-C cable wiring system where the lightning cable that I used to have before actually no longer works with this. But that works with me though, just because most of my devices are a Type-C cable integrated anyways. But as far as everything else that's inside, it doesn't look like there's anything else inside aside from just the iPhone itself. Then also the charging cable, which it includes you with. And just as a disclaimer again, it does need a charging, like a cube, in order to charge this as well. But with that being said, that is pretty much it for the unboxing of the iPhone 17 if you wanted to know what the contents were inside. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.